What's going on? In this ManyChat template tour, I'm going to show you a discount and birthday club messenger bot. So this messenger bot is going to deliver a discount promo code, and it's going to collect their birthday information so that when it is their special time of the year, you can either give them a free gift or another promo code. Now this ManyChat template comes with two growth tools. It comes with the Facebook JSON growth tool and the Messenger Ref URL growth tool. If you'd like to pick up this ManyChat template, then head over to bit.ly/MC templates. That's bit.ly/MC templates. If you haven't yet gotten our free ManyChat cheat sheet covering the 11 crucial features that your ManyChat messenger bot must have, then go to bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. That's bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. We'll send it over to you in a Facebook message, so you got to make sure that you're logged into Messenger, and then when that message window opens, type in the word learn. Now with this cheat sheet, you're going to get the PDF download and a video walkthrough going deep in depth on all the information that we cover in the PDF. So if you're like me and you're not a big reader, the video is going to be a major help for you. So now let's go ahead and jump into this ManyChat template tour. Okay, so here we are in the ManyChat platform in the growth tools section. And the first message that they are going to receive once they opt in, whether it's the Facebook ads JSON growth tool or the Messenger Ref URL growth tool, they're going to get this message saying, are you ready to receive your promo code getting X% off? Click the button below now if you're ready to get this thing going. So they click on yes, please, let's get this going, and they're sent this message right here. Great, would you like to tell me when your birthday is too so I can send you something special to celebrate? If they click the no thanks button, they're gonna get sent this message right here. No worries, let's get you that promo code then. And then the next message after that will be actually giving them the promo code. If they click the sure button, then they're going to get this message right here of this little GIF and saying, perfect, choose when your birthday is by clicking the button below. And then a little calendar thing will pop up and they'll be able to pick the month and the day of their birthday. Then after they put in their birthday, they're going to receive this message right here saying, thanks first name, now use the promo code below and make sure that you use it soon because it's going to expire. Now you can easily change this copy, you can change these GIFs. This information above this dotted line is us just giving you some insight into what you want to put inside this message. And then after they're sent that message, then there is a typing delay for 4 seconds. Now you can easily remove that, change that, do anything you'd like with that typing delay. And then they receive this GIF right here. And then below that is their actual promo code with a button linking over to wherever they're going to go to actually use that promo code, whether it's your Amazon store, your Shopify store, wherever that is. Then this smart delay will happen, which is a 1-day delay, and then it will send them this message right here, following up with them saying, hey first name, just a friendly reminder that you only have X days left to use your promo code, that's X hours. So you can change this copy to be hours, that's days, you can change it however long you want to make it to kind of push them to actually using the promo code. And then you can say, here's the promo code, just click the button below to use it. So that is already built out for you. If you want to remove any of these typing delays or add time to them, you can easily just click on them and then edit the timing of that typing delay right there. Then after they receive that follow-up after the first day, another day is going to pass and they're going to receive another follow-up saying, hey first name, I'm not sure if you had the chance yet to use your promo code, but here it is again, just reminding you to go ahead and use it now. And then they receive a message linking them over to whatever website, Shopify, Amazon, wherever you want to link them to actually use that promo code. So that is the entire flow right there. Again, they opt in, they get that promo code. We also collect their birthday information, and then we're pushing them to actually using the promo code, and we follow up with them saying, hey, have you used your promo code yet? So again, if you want to get this ManyChat template, then head over to bit.ly/MC templates. That's bit.ly/MC templates. Also, if you have not yet gotten our 100% free ManyChat cheat sheet covering the 11 crucial features that your ManyChat messenger bot must have, then head over to bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. That's bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. We'll send it over to you in a Facebook message. And when that messenger window pops open, type in the word learn to make sure that those messages get sent over to you and you're able to download the PDF cheat sheet and get access to the free video walkthrough covering everything in that PDF cheat sheet. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.